Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating a card with a corset stitch. I did make a similar card in the past, but I didn't have a video for it, so I thought it's a perfect time to record the process of creating the card. I will be using the newest Lemoncraft collection, Autumn Twilight, and I will need 3 different layers. So my first layer, it's dark purple, then the beige one with the flower arrangement. I will provide the measurements on the screen. The third layer I will be dividing into 2 parts, one slightly smaller than the other, creating the gap between the parts. The third layer is the layer where I'm going to create a corset stitch, and to do that I just need make a holes, and I want them divided quite equally on the card, so I'm just going to mark my card every 2 centimeters. The height of the paper is 16 centimeters, so this will give me 7 holes on both parts. I will create the holes not too far from the ripped edge, and then I will be adding eyelets to each hole. If you do not have eyelets, you can also use the rings, which are very often used on the top of the tags. They can be just paper rings, they would look lovely as well. Next step is to emboss the edges of my layers. I am going to use a tracing wheel on the top and on the second layer, and then I will be sticking my layers on the card base. For the first layer I will use glue, and for the second as well. The third one I will be using double-sided foam pads. Before I will adhere the third layer, I am just going to secure it in the place on the card, removing one paper from the top foam pad corner. Then I will just keep it on my card until I will finish the corset stitch. Then I will take off the whole part, take off the papers from the foam pads, and then I will attach it to my card. But first of all, I just want to secure it to create that stitch with a twine. Now it's time to decorate the card with some flowers. I also have metal elements, twine, leaves and chipboard frame. So I will leave you with me creating the composition, and I will talk to you at the end of the video. As usual, I'm finishing my card with this splats of white acrylic paint mixed with water, and I will be saying goodbye. Thank you very much for watching, for joining me today. I hope you will create similar card. You can always tag me on social media, Lady E Design or Emilia Sieradzan, if you are using my tutorials. And also please visit Lemoncraft Facebook page, you will find lots of inspiration there. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye!